diamond. Siguro. Uy, nakikita ko yung baby.
Where?
Ayan siya, oh!
I'll show it later.
Ayan siya! Ayan siya! Ayan siya! Ayan siya! This new Trolls Part 2 Happy Meals. Hi guys, let's open the first one. This is Branch.
Open muna. Wow.
Open it.
There you go.
His name is Branch.
I'll open it.
Next, this. This sabi mo sa akin. This is. Ano sabi?
Who is that? Hickory.
This is Hickory. Hickory. Next page.
Next page.
Ito si King Lex yung sabi ko sa'yo, oh.
Again?
Ito.
Who is that?
Si King Lex.
Okay.
This is Guy Diamond. Siguro. Uy, nakikita ko yung baby.
Where?
Ayan siya, oh!
I'll show it later.
Ayan siya! Ayan siya! Ayan siya! Ayan siya!
Later.
Ayan siya.
Next.
Ito si Queen Bob. Ito si Queen Bob.
Okay.
Ito siya. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung Queen Bob.
Yes. Are you happy?
Yep. This is.
Who is that? Biggie.
And
Mister?
Dinkles.
Yes.
This is Cooper.
How many more?
This is Cooper.
Cooper. Okay. Dalawa na lang? Ay, tatlo pa.
This is Poppy.
Let me see.
Poppy.
Yay. Who else?
Where?
How many trolls do you have?
A lot. 10. This is Cloud Guy.
Mm-hmm. And then, the last one.
Is
Check the last one, please. Oh! Tapos na yan.
Rocket.
Yung isa. Na-miss mo yung isa, yes.
This is a lot of hair. Who is this?
Oh, okay. Let's try it later.
Dahlia.
See you again later, guys.
See you again later, guys. Bye. Guys, today I'm going to show you how to use these Trolls Happy Meals. Guys, from the Trolls 2. Where's this? This is
Hickory.
Hickory.
When you move the head, yeah.
Yep. And then the arms will move too.
Yes.
Oops.
Again.
Oh, so
Okay.
Next, this is Guy Diamond. What is this? What is this here? I'm thinking that is Tiny Diamond.
Wow. It's his baby?
Yep.
Ooh, he has a
Wala pa siyang
baby. I am not sure.
Siguro meron din siyang baby. Mahali pala. Mahali.
What can Guy Diamond do?
Look,
He can actually...
kick his leg.
Wow. Wow. He can even balance. Can you move his leg?
Next.
Next. You have?
Cloud guy.
Okay, Cloud Guy. What can Cloud Guy do? Let me see. He can move
His arms.
his arms. How are you doing it?
Look at the back.
Oh, then you just move it. Oh.
Next is
He can
Branch.
also dance.
Yep, she can also dance.
Who is that guy?
Branch.
And then what can Branch do? Whoa.
It's the same as at Poppy.
And who is that?
Poppy.
Miss Poppy.
Miss
She's
Poppy.
really cute.
Yeah.
Do you like her dress?
Yeah.
I like her yellow dress.
It's matches.
She's not wearing blue and pink now. She's wearing yellow.
Kasi gawa ng party
Wow.
lang siya ng ganun ng babies.
Oh, okay.
Next, this.
Who is that?
This
Is that a girl or a boy?
This is a girl that looks like a boy.
Oh, she's playing a guitar.
Little guitar, rock and roll guitar too.
Oh, it's a rock and roll guitar. Okay, how are you doing it again? Nice one.
Next is this. She can move her head.
What's her name?
Dahlia.
Dahlia?
Ano po niya?
Delta?
Delta. This is Delta.
And then, who's next? And that is
Cooper.
Cooper. What can Cooper do? Nahilo na ako. What can Cooper do?
She can move his legs.
Can you show it? Can he balance also? Can you try to balance Cooper?
Let's check.
Wow. Hello, Cooper.
Too close, too close.
Next.
This is King Lex.
Oh, that's King Lex. He's a new character, right?
Yep, she's a king.
He is a king. What can he do?
He can balance to it, go, let it go.
Oh, he can also balance. And then?
And then if you hold this, look, he can move his head.
Can I try it? Can I try it? How? How are you doing it?
Hold this back.
Just hold it here and then.
You can move it.
Okay.
Next
Next.
is the last one. This is called Biggie and Mr. Dinkles.
Okay, what can Biggie do?
No.
Hi, high five. How can he do it? Too close. Oh, who is that at his back?
That is Mr. Dinkles.
What is Mr. Dinkles?
I figure she's a bat.
She's a back. Okay. Can they have a party now? Do you love them? Let me see. Do you like them? Let me see. There. Hug them. Group hug. Group hug. Group hug. Who's your favorite character?
All of them.
All of them? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Sige, lagay mo sila dyan. Can you put them all here? And they will have a party. We have Mr. Biggie. We have, what's her name again?
That is Queen Bob.
Queen Bob. And then Delta. And then Princess Puppy. And then Cooper. And then we have Hickory. Then Cloud Guy. Then you have, who is that guy again?
That is...
Guy Diamond.
And look at the baby.
His little baby. What's the name of the baby?
Called... Tiny Diamond.
Diamond. Okay. And then the last one is? Who is the last one?
It's King, Lex, and Branch.
Okay. Do you like that?
Yep!
How many characters do you have? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Okay. You like that? All of them? Who's your favorite?
All of them.
Really?
Yep.